let me introduce you to our Gion polishing system. We have 4 different polishes and 4 different foam pads. Really important to know about our Gion polishes is that they are all water-based. First of all, we have Gion Compound Plus, which is an extremely fast cutting compound that will leave a very decent finish. The second step can be the Gion Compound. Gion Compound can be used as a one-step product and still leave a very good one-step finish. If you want to go further, you can use polish. Polish is an extremely glossy and sharp finish looking polish on your paintwork. Last but not least, we have Gion Primer. This special product can be used as a jeweling polish, but also as a pre-coating polish, which give you ease of application and a better bonding with your coating. What really makes these pads unique is that we put a lot of effort in designing them. For example, for the eccentrical machine, we have a height of 20 millimeters. We shaved off the edge to make sure that the pad does not get damaged, and we had a center hole for less heat transfer onto the paint. For the rotary, we have a different shape. We have a rounded edge and also a cut-in Velcro for maximum performance and an exact Velcro fit. Another difference between these two is that on the rotary we have 25 millimeter and on this one we have also the cone shape of 20 millimeter. Our small 80 millimeter pads have the same features as the large ones. So this is the entire Gion polishing system, and now you're ready to go to the next stage.